This LED challenge coin display case was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it, turning on the lights, showing the different lighting modes, and then placing coins into it so you can see how it looks set up. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged really nicely, and right away this display has a really impressive look to it. The front features a patriotic American flag and star design, which fits really well for military coins, veteran collectibles, or other challenge coin displays. The display itself is made from wood and it feels sturdy and well built once you take it out of the packaging. One thing I immediately noticed is the built-in LED strips. Once I turn it on in the video, you can really see how much the lighting changes the overall look on the display. I also go through the different light modes so you can see the different colors and lighting effects it offers. Depending on the mode, it can completely change the appearance and highlight the coins differently. Another nice thing is this display can either be wall mounted or used on a table, so you have some flexibility depending on where you want to display it. It's designed to hold up to 48 challenge coins, which gives you a pretty good amount of display space. The slots hold the coins securely, and the LED lighting really helps make the collection stand out visually. The combination of wood finish, patriotic design, and lighting gives it a really nice display piece look instead of just feeling like basic storage. Throughout the video, I focus on showing the build quality, the lighting effects, and how the coins look once everything is set up. Overall, this feels like a really nice display option for challenge coin collections. It's well built, visually impressive, and the LED lighting adds a really cool touch, especially once the coins are all displayed inside.